Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some hairstyles that you can do with ponytails that you would find at a beauty supply store. Guys, these ponytails are all from the Janet collection. They're also sponsoring this video, so I want you guys to check them out in the description box. Now, I have some ideas. I have like mini hair tutorials that you guys can do with ponytails that you can find at your local beauty supply store. They're quick, they're easy, they're less than 10 minutes. The most they're going to be is 10 minutes. And they look good and they work well. Yeah, so if you guys want to see these hair tutorials and you want to know more about Janet collection ponytails, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so let's get into these many hairstyles I'm going to try to do in a short amount of time. Oh, and I cut my hair as well. Can you guys? For the first hairstyle, you're going to want to have your hair straightened or blow dried out. It's up to you what you want. We're going to be doing a ponytail. Now, this one is super long. I'm going to have all the details about this hair on the screen here for you guys. So this one is the Drawstring Ponytail by Janet. So this one is OET1B/27, and this is Olivia DS Long, and these are all heat resistant fiber, so you can add some heat on it. So with this hairstyle, instead of doing simple like straight back ponytail, we're going to add just a little bit of character to it. So what we're going to do is two cane rolls at the side right here, and then we're going to put the hair up. Now the reason why I got this specific color in this ponytail from Janet collection is because I was like, why not do an ombre? If your hair is black, let's add some like character to your hair as well by putting color to it. And you can decide how big you want the cane roll. Okay, and then you're just going to want a cane roll. Literally, this hairstyle is like super quick. Even doing the cane rolls and parting is like super quick. And all the items here that I'm using in this video, you guys can all get every single item here from the beauty supply store. Even these clips here that I'm going to use to clip the end so it doesn't come apart. And I also have a whole entire video on my channel on beauty supply store essentials just for hair in general, some items you guys should have. So I'm going to link that video so you guys can watch it. Now the reason why I straighten my hair and blow dried it is so it can like match more seamless with the ponytail. You guys want to hurry up and clip this because we'll start undoing. Use this one, again, beauty supply store. So we're going to do a lot of brushing just to try and make it a little bit more sleek. Okay. Hair scrunchie, again, beauty supply store. If I find Amazon alternatives for these, I'm going to link them. Okay, so I'm using the hair wax. This is the Soft Touch Aqua hair wax number 6. Okay, so I recommend, like, if you have 4C hair, man, this is going to be your best friend. Or just type 4 hair. Whoo, you're gonna thank me later. Anyway, so this is a hair wax. I'm going to rub it in my hands, put it throughout, just to tame the flyaways. Now the reason why I didn't apply it directly to the brush and then onto my hair, because it's going to put too much gel in my hair and it's going to make my hair back wavy again, and I want to avoid that. So that's a little trick. And I only applied like the most gel at the front because we're going to style baby hairs and stuff, so it doesn't really bug me. I just don't want my whole entire hair wavy. So we're just going to style the baby hairs. Okay, so as you can see, like the gel kind of makes the hair a little bit more sleeker. It's not necessary to do baby hairs though. Like even on days I don't have time to be doing baby hairs, I literally just like push all the hair back and make it super sleek in that way as well. Okay, so I'm going back in with my magic gold brush, again, beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna go back over. So now we're going to go in with the ponytail. So what we're gonna do is twist this and wrap it, and then I'm gonna twist this, wrap it, go back in with one of the hair ties here. And just using a hair tie works for me to secure the bun. Actually, I'm going to go back in with some hair wax. I'm going to tame the flyaways. That's what I like using hair wax for, is to tame the flyaways. Instead of using gel, that's more like liquidy. And it'll make my hair all wavy again, and I don't want that. I'm going to make the ponytail. It's so long. Okay, so all the ponytails have the info tags on them. Okay, so basically on the inside, it has like a fork type of vibe right there. And at the top, another one at the bottom. And it's a drawstring, as I said, so we're going to draw the string and tighten it. Top of the fork to the top of this. The bottom of the fork underneath the bun. Okay, push it in on both sides. And then we're going to get the string, which is right here. We're going to draw it to tighten it and then wrap it around. And then you can go in with a piece. Ponytail. You can wrap it around if you want. Okay, so this is how the ponytail looks. Guys, so this is how the ponytail looks. It looks so good. It's so long. It reaches me probably in the middle of my like bum. And guys, I am 5'7", so imagine how long that is. I'm just going to show you guys like a full body view of how this looks. Okay, so let's proceed on to the next hairstyle. Now, the next hairstyle is kind of similar to this one, but the thing that's going to make it look a little bit different is the ponytail. So we have another ponytail here. So this one's more of like a wavy, like I curled my hair and brushed it out. So there's like those big, huge beach waves in it. On their website, they have a variety of different colors, designs, styles. Now with this one, we're going to just cane roll this whole entire like square right here. Again, if you don't want them to be big, you can make them much smaller. So what you're going to want to go in with is basically the same thing. If you want to do baby hairs, you can. If you don't want, who cares? Go in with baby hairs. You want to style if you're going to do that. If not, you want to go in with the hair wax. I'm going to have this hair wax linked down below. This is by Soft Touch. If you're in Jamaica, just where I bought it. Brush down all your hairs and your flyaways and everything. And then we're going to put the hair in a ponytail. You guys can decide how high you want the ponytail. I want this one high. Okay, I did a small bun this time. And I'm just going to wrap the rest around. I can't really bother. Sorry guys, the dog's next door. Barking. Go back in with a second hair tie and secure it. I know some people like going in with like bobby pins. I don't have time for all that when a hair tie can do all of that. The bottom comb, tighten it, and then wrap this around. When you wrap drawstring around, it really tightens up the ponytail in your head. Like this ponytail is not going anywhere. Okay, and then you can grab a piece again. Now the thing that I like about this ponytail, it gives like a lot of character. It's not like straight and boring. So if you have like wavy hair or more bigger hair, this is gonna give the illusion that could be possibly your real hair. And this is it. Super simple and easy. It's cute. Oh, and this one here, it like reaches me like at the starting of like my bum. This one, kind of cute. So you're gonna want to do the middle part, and this middle part's gonna go all the way to the back. Okay, and then after when you do the middle part, you separate it. So this one is Berry DS in the color 1. So this ponytail here, the pattern of this one is if like you plait your hair, you braided your hair and then you took out the braid, has that like crimpish braid out type of texture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 cane rolls, one on this side and one on the next side. So basically French braids. Okay, then you're going to stop right here. And once you stop here, you're going to go in with a hair tie right here and you're going to secure off the ends. What you can do now is go in with your baby hairs and style your baby hairs. I'm going to make small little buns right here. I'm going to do that on both sides. And we secured the bun. I mean, like, I feel like this can be a little bit tighter, but yeah, that's not going to happen with me. So look at the inside of the ponytail. I feel like it's just so big, so I just wanted to show you guys. Anyways, we're going to put the ponytail... I'm gonna have to pull the string to like make this smaller. Okay, once you're done, this is how it looks. Now for me personally, I feel like this is way too much. This is just too much hair for me. But if you like that look, you're done. And I'm going to wrap around the ends. We're going to secure it even more. You can twist. Show you guys. Okay, and then when you twist, you can just wrap it. And there we have it. This is the hairstyle. Again, this one's a little bit more cuter. So if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of hair to make your buns look full, ponytail will work, and the texture of this ponytail is good as well. Okay, so this hairstyle here, I feel like it would work best if you have natural hair. So if you have natural hair and you're watching this, this is going to work well. We're going to curve the lines for the side part. I'm gonna get a bigger brush, beauty supply store again, and I'm gonna brush this over. Now again, if my hair wasn't like straight and blown out, this would look so nice. So the ponytail is more of like an afro. So I'm trying to see if we should do it at the top of our heads or at the back. Janet Collection has hair textures for all types of personalities and styles. Okay, so this one is Afro Sexy String in the color 1. And they come in different colors. We're going to do the low ponytail. I feel like the first tutorial, I really went into detail on how to tighten your ponytail and how to wrap the bun around the ponytail. So I feel like I'm going to skip through all of that. Secure it with another one. So what I'm going to do now is get some wax again, rub it in my hand, lay this down, lay this down. Again, I feel like this will look best if you have your natural hair, because the hair's too, like my hair at the front is way too straight, I feel like, for this. But I still want to show you guys like a style that you can do. So that's that, and then you just fluff out the ends. This is so cute. This is so natural. Like, I feel like a lot of people's hair looks like this. Cute. This is it. Again, as I said, the only clear difference is that the hair is too straight for the back. So this one, we're gonna just brush everything back, okay? So if you've been watching all these tutorials and you're like, girl, I don't know how to cane roll, I don't know how to corner, I don't know how to braid. So what we're going to do is flat twists at the front of her hair. So I'm going to part the hair. And we're only going to be doing it halfway for the flat twist, okay? We're not going to do like the full thing. Okay, so we're going to do only halfway. So we're going to, some people are probably like, oh, how do I know where to stop? You're just going to stop like where your ear like ends. So like right there. The same thing on this side. This part here, we're just going to just do a ponytail at the back. We're just gonna do like, we're gonna leave that till after we're done with the front. So basically we're just gonna flat twist it, and again you can make this as big as you want. So I'm gonna do one with you and then I'll come back when I am done with the front, because it's literally repetitive. You do flat twist all on this side and flat twist all on that side. And then if you want to secure what you've done, go with a bobby pin, and you're gonna bobby pin this down. Okay, so basically this, and you're going to do the whole entire thing. Okay, so I'm done. This is the best I could do. If you want this a little bit more neater, you can go in with like gel, and as you're twisting, the gel will like make everything so much more neater. On the time or patience. And we're going to make a high bun. What I'm going to do is with the smaller bobby pin, secure the ends of the twist. If you have elastics, you can secure it with elastics. Now we are going to wrap ponytail. So I'm splitting the hair, then wrapping it. You want to wrap tight to make it as small as you can. Going with this a hair tie. Okay, perfect. Last ponytails is, this one is Guava DS in the color 1. Now this ponytail here, more of like a water wave ponytail. Really long. Like all of these ponytails are long and I love it. So if you're looking for like affordable long ponytails, they're here. But usually when it comes to ponytail, what I would recommend is buy the style that you want instead of buying a ponytail and then trying to add heat to change the style that's given. So we're gonna put this on at the top. I'm gonna get like a thicker piece because this is a lot of hair, and we're going to wrap. Okay, so this is the final look. So as you guys can see it, it's a very simple hair look, even though I didn't do it that good, but okay guys, so that's it. Comment down below your favorite hairstyle, your favorite ponytail. Everything is going to be linked in the description box. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir.